everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to recover Amazon password. Now to do that, first of all, open a Google browser on your PC and then click open a new tab. There on the search bar, you need to type in amazon.com and press enter. It will direct you to the official web page of Amazon. Once you're at the official web page, you need to click on sign in at the right side of your screen. Click that. It will direct you to the signing page of Amazon. Here on the signing page, for the login, you need to provide the email address first. Type in the email address, then click on continue. Here you need to provide the password, but as we are going to go through the process of recovering the Amazon password, you need to click on forgot password over here on the top. Click that. Enter your email address or the phone number. Provide the details over here, that is either your email address or the phone number that you have used for the account creation of Amazon, and then click on continue. For the verification, a one-time password will be sent to the Amazon account of yours. That is the email address. So you need to go and check your Gmail account. Click open Gmail. There's the Amazon mail on the top. Click open that, and there's the code. You just need to copy this code over here and paste it on this text box and then click on continue. This will verify your Amazon account. With this, you will be directed to this page over here where you will be able to provide a new password for the Amazon. Now type in the new password over here. Retype the same password on the below text box. Then click on Save Changes and sign in. This is how you can recover your account password for Amazon. You can see the notification you change your password. You can also add your phone number for the recovery process as well. With this, a one-time password will be sent to your phone number during the recovery. Skip this process and you will be logged into the account. So this is how you can recover your Amazon password. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.